Welcome to the SciSocial Explorer YouTube channel today. Today we want to use this opportunity to talk about Galamsey in Ghana. Galamsey, a term derived from the Ghanaian English phrase gather and sell, refers to the illegal small-scale mining operations in Ghana. This will provide an overview of Galamsey, its origin, and its prevalence in the country. Delving into the past, this will shed light on the historical context of Galamsey in Ghana. It will explore the factors that led to its emergence, such as the decline of large-scale mining and economic hardships faced by local communities. The devastating effects of Galamsey on the environment will be explored in this video. It will discuss deforestation, water pollution, and soil degradation caused by the use of harmful chemicals like mercury and cyanide. Examining the socio-economic consequences of Galamsey, we will delve into the negative impacts on local communities. It will highlight the loss of farmlands, displacement of communities, and the increase in social vices and illegal activities. Exploring the efforts made by the Ghanaian government to combat Galamsey, the government has various measures and regulations implemented. It will analyze their effectiveness and the challenges faced in their enforcement, highlighting the importance of international collaborations, partnerships between Ghana and other countries or organizations in addressing Galamsey. It will discuss shared experiences, knowledge exchange, and support for sustainable mining practices. Ghana government has showcased various environmental conservation initiatives aimed at mitigating the negative impact of Galamsey. Which feature projects focused on reforestation, land reclamation, and sustainable mining practices. Focusing on community engagement and awareness, this explore initiatives empower local communities affected by Galamsey. It will discuss education programs, alternative livelihood opportunities, and the importance of stakeholder involvement. Highlighting the role of technology in combating Galamsey, the Ghana government, innovative solutions such as the use of drones, satellite imagery, and remote sensing for monitoring and surveillance of illegal mining activities. Exploring the legal framework surrounding Galamsey, Government of Ghana delving into relevant laws, penalties, and the challenges faced in enforcing them. It also discussed the role of law enforcement agencies in curbing illegal mining activities, analyzing the international market impact of Galamsey. These international bodies like the UN, AU has discussed the illicit gold trade, its connection to Galamsey, and the global efforts to address this issue through responsible mineral supply chains. Case studies highlighting successful interventions and strategies employed in specific regions of Ghana to combat Galamsey. It examined the outcomes, lessons learned, and replicable practices, envisioning the future, the prospects for sustainable mining practices in Ghana. It will explore potential economic benefits, technological advancements, and the role of stakeholders in ensuring responsible mining. This concluding chapter emphasizes on the urgency of addressing Galamsey in Ghana. It reiterates the importance of collaborative efforts, strict enforcement, and sustainable practices for a brighter future. Focusing on community engagement and awareness, this explore initiatives empower local communities affected by Galamsey. It will discuss education programs, alternative livelihood opportunities, and the importance of stakeholder involvement. I am truly humbled by the overwhelming response we received. Your comments, likes, and shares have not only encouraged us, but they've also helped to raise awareness about the critical issue of Galamsey in Ghana. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more educative videos.